I can be still, like, pretty good. I mean, for a while. I mean, you thought it was just a picture, but it's actually a video. I'm just kidding. I know I'm weird, but I like doing that once in a while. Anywho, quick little video here. Actually, my second video of the day, third video of the day. Oh, I made a video last night about the workbench, and then I posted it today, and then made another one about what's on your workbench. And then, yeah, now I'm making another one, something I made for my wife for Valentine's Day. Actually, Valentine's Day was yesterday, but she's visiting her mom in Colorado, and I'm home, so we weren't together, but we're always together. Every day is Valentine's Day for us, so we have an amazing, wonderful love and marriage. Anywho, I'm picking her up from the airport tonight, and she's coming back home. And then, yeah, and I'll give her a couple of little gifts I have. I made one bigger thing, too. It's actually a board to hold a puzzle, so she can do puzzles on it. And then this one's a little trinket keepsake little box thing. But I'm not going to post this video till tomorrow. But when you see it, I'll already have given it to her, so it won't be in the video. Well, I mean, it is in the video, but I mean, it'll be in her hands by then. It's really weird how that works. Anywho, so I'm going to show you this, and it's actually still wet because I just sprayed it. But I'm impatient. I want to make the video. You gotta love it. This is what I made. A little heart box. Just a simple little thing, but it's actually kind of cool. And this is how it works. It swivels open like that. So you put little candies in there, jewelry, little trinkets or whatever. And it closes like that. Pretty simple, but it turned out pretty nice. So, don't ask for a pattern or a plan. I just made it up. I just drew a heart. Okay? It's one pattern, a heart. And I made up the heart. Well, I didn't make up the heart. I mean, God made the heart. And actually, our real heart really doesn't look like that. I don't know when we started making hearts like that, but it's much uglier than that. It's just a big blob muscle organ thing or whatever it is. Actually, it's pretty amazing and beautiful. We wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for our heart. Anyway, I just drew a heart, and then I made this. So, it's all one pattern, but it's 3 pieces of wood. So, first thing I did was I drew a heart on this top piece, and that's the lid, and cut that out. Then I traced it on another piece of wood and cut that out, and then I cut the interior of it out, and then I cut a third piece down here, cut that out, and then I actually clamped them together and sanded them so they're really close to being the same side. They're not perfect, but I mean, it looks pretty nice. And then I glued the body, you know, the bowl part. I glued that to the bottom, to the base. And then what I did was I wanted to do something a little different. So I actually, I glued a dowel in there, and I drilled a hole there. So this one's glued in, and this just goes in. So you could actually take it off, but, you know, it's not. She could just keep it together. But then I also inset a magnet right there and right there. So it turns. It's a really strong magnet. It's actually, oh, what are they called? They're these super magnets. Here, I'll get a couple here. They're incredibly strong. I can't even get them out of the thing here. Okay, here. These are really cool. These are really fun to make little boxes and keepsake boxes, puzzle boxes. You can get them at Menards. There's different sizes and stuff. And, gosh, they're super strong. But this is what they look like. They're really tiny. There's a name for them. I'll put the name at the bottom, right down in here. I'll put the name. But, yeah, they're super strong. Look at it. You put 2 of them together, and it's like, yeah, that's just crazy. So you can go like this. Here. Whoa. Oh, good night. They're like alive. They're so strong. But I'm going to tell you more about the box in a second, but now we're on the magnet thing. So you can go like this. Watch this. Whoa. They just got a mind of their own. Actually, I think... Oh, good night. I think I'd go like this. No? I thought I did one time. It would actually work through my hand, through my finger. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's stuck on my scroll saw. Okay, I think... really hard to get apart. Well, they kind of do. See, they're kind of holding, but then they flip across. Well, you can play with these things and have some fun. They're super strong magnets. Anywho, okay, enough of that. Back to the box. So, this is a piece, I think it might be cherry. It's really pretty wood, whatever it is. That top piece, it's like a 3/4 of an inch. Well, actually, it's about an inch. I sanded. Actually, it's a piece that my wife got me a couple of boards. I think she got them at a garage sale. And I'm not sure. They look like cherry, but I'm not sure now. They're really pretty, whatever it is. But that's the lid. Then the bowl, the box part, that's maple. And then the bottom is oak. So it's 3 different kinds of wood. And yeah, so I just cut all 3 pieces, sanded them good. And then, yeah, so I have a dowel to swivel it open and a little magnet to kind of keep it closed. And it's really strong. Still a little wet and then I just put a clear coat on it, just sprayed it. But yeah, kind of a neat little gift. I was thinking about putting maybe felt inside or something, and maybe felt on the bottom. Might do that yet before I give it to her. But just a simple little, yeah, you know, you can put candy in it, jewelry, little trinkets, whatever. Neat little, you know, for Valentine's Day, it's a heart, you know, and, you know, I get all romantic and mushy and everything. Anyway, it's just kind of silly. Really simple, y'all. Just be creative. Think outside the box and just make little gifts like this. And what's neat about a gift like a box, different kinds of boxes like this, is it's something you can, you know, it's a nice little gift to hold things, but you can actually put something in there with the gift. So yeah, I'm probably going to put some chocolate in here for her and maybe a little thing or something. Yeah. So anyway, again, I think it's cherry, maple, and oak. Really pretty green in that. Oh, just gorgeous. With a little dowel glued in and some super magnets, and just put a clear coat on it. And yeah, fits together pretty good. It's not perfect, but I don't have a planer or anything like that to get things super flat, but it's pretty good. I think it turned out nice. I think she'll like it. I hope she'll like it. Honey, if you like it, comment right here if you like it. Again, I'm not going to give this to her till tomorrow, but when you see this, it'll be today. It'll be tomorrow. It'll be today, Sunday. It'll be, I know it's a whole confusing time warp thing, but anyway, just thought I'd share something I made in my shop today. A little gift for my wife. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. And we'll see you on the next video.